Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2020 Mercedes-Benz A220 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior, and we have a black interior. Do have heated memory seats here for both driver and passenger. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Sunroof, steering wheel, and hopping inside, mileage currently at 34,727. We have a push button ignition, and here we have our touchscreen display, currently showing radio and backup camera. Of course, you can control this using the touchscreen itself. You've also got steering wheel controls, so you can make all of your adjustments there. And you also have a command module here for also making adjustments. Below your display, you've got climate controls here. You've also got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, USB connection, cup holders. You can access different sport modes here, so you can flip between individual, sport, comfort, and eco. This will affect traction, steering, transmission, things like that. We also have our shifter here. Okay. I'll show you the rear of the vehicle next. Got our rear seats here. Quick peek back up at the front of the vehicle. Coming around to the back, we've got our A220 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Trunk. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this 2020 Mercedes-Benz A220 or any other vehicles on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.